Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my dear viewers? I hope that everyone is pretty fine and doing very well. My dear viewers, in today's video, I'm sharing with you a lot of beautiful nail art designs. I've shared different type of nail art designs. You will get huge ideas from my today's video. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Very pretty and latest nail art designs. I have shared Christmas nail art designs, occasional nail art designs, and seasonal nail art designs. Also, you will get wedding nail art designs. So, dear friends, don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you like my today's nails, then must hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also tell me which nail art design you like the most. Each and every nail art design is beautifully compiled and latest. Lots of beautiful colors and the combinations. Very pretty and latest cute nail art designs are shared. My dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, then must visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to nail art designs. I've shared party nail art designs, occasional nail art designs, luxury nail art designs, very trendy and beautiful summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn and spring nail art designs. My dear viewers, if you wanna compile your nails at homes, then must watch my easy nail art designs. Huge varieties available like cute, easy and simple nail art designs. Also, I've shared ombre nail art designs, geometric patterns, and lots of beautiful different type of nail art designs. So if you wanna compile your nails from salons, then must watch my new nail art designs collection. So for back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I've shared with the name of nail art designs. But my latest collection or latest videos are not in my playlist now, and you can search them and visit them on my channel, through my channel. So dear viewers, if you wanna see more ideas related to fashion for girls, I've shared different type of outfits like occasional outfits, party dresses, evening dresses, cocktail dresses, wedding dresses, mermaid dresses, proms, sheet dresses, cocktail dresses, bodycon dresses, and a lots of varieties available on my channel. So don't forget to visit once and watch my those ideas. My dear viewers, if you are a mother of the bride and mother of the groom, and then must watch my mother of the bride and groom dresses. I have shared huge collection for mothers and also different ages women's outfit ideas. Like over 30, over 40, over 50 and over 60 women's outfit ideas. My dear viewers, in today's video you are watching latest cute nail art designs. I have shared different type of nail art designs and different shapes of nails, very trending and latest ideas. Hope so you enjoyed and like these nails. If you like my today's nails, then must hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And don't forget to share with your friends and family members.
Ada bagus yang lain yang aja.